Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy at home without gelatin. First, understand that agar-agar or pectin are excellent plant-based substitutes for traditional gelatin. These ingredients provide the necessary gelling properties to achieve that perfect chewy texture. You can find them easily online or in specialty food stores. They are key to creating delicious vegan gummies right in your own kitchen. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice, a half cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of your chosen gelling agent, either agar-agar powder or high-methoxyl pectin. A small amount of citric acid, about 1/4 teaspoon, will brighten the flavors. Don't forget your silicone molds for fun shapes. Now let's get cooking. In a saucepan, combine your fruit juice, sugar, and gelling agent. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a gentle boil and thickens slightly. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it reaches the desired consistency, carefully pour the hot liquid into your silicone molds. After pouring, let your gummies set at room temperature for about 1 hour. For an even firmer texture, you can refrigerate them for an additional 30 minutes. Once fully set, pop them out of the molds and enjoy your homemade, gelatin-free gummy candies. They are a delightful treat. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.